to either add to or replace the cars in our garage. Well, one of the cars in our garage. Mustang and the Camaro aren't going anywhere. Those are way too fun. But we still have big ass children, and they're getting bigger every day. So we gotta have some space for them. And as any of you might possibly know, there's no room for them in the Mustang or the Camaro. So, and they have now officially outgrown Marty's Daily too, which is the Fiat. So it's time.
It's time. It's time. Okay, it's fine with me.
So we have some possibilities. We've got some appointments set up because, you know, right now with the whole situation that is the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, you have to have appointments to go look at cars. You can't just show up. We have our masks with us. Artie has his fancy alcohol spray. We won't say what all's in that, but anywho, it's something to clean your hands. We have something to protect our face. We totally plan on keeping the whole 6 foot social distance away from everybody as much as possible. So, and then like I said, we have our appointments set at a couple different dealerships. So we've got some things lined up. Let's see what happens.
I'm excited. Hopefully you guys like where we get. Not gonna say what it is, because I still don't even know what it is. So we just got a couple that we're gonna see. Should be fun. All right, let's see what we can do here. Nobody can ever call us like that we're a brand horse, because we are.
We have a little bit of everything.
It's got a lot of sparkle in it.
The black wheels don't look bad on it either. All right, so if you can't tell, what we're looking at, what we're going to be test driving is a 2020 Dodge Charger Scatpack.
Scatpack. I wish it was a Hellcat though. No, I don't really want a Hellcat, honestly.
We don't want the payment for a Hellcat. Nope. It let you get squirrely, honey.
I told you. I like the way the transmission feels a lot.
And like I said, if you do track mode, the transmission will shift even that much faster too. So
It sounds good though. It sounds real good. This car feels so much bigger.
It is.
Than what I'm used to. Right. This is a 19, right?
Yeah. Yeah. GTI 2.0 turbo. Something like
I like it.
I like it too.
Alright. It's automatic, so you get your DSG farts.
As much as I think this car would be more fun with a stick, I know it would make it slower. This kind of car to me feels better banging gears. Definitely a quick car. It's not lack of power or anything. I mean, I'm sure I can tune it, do stuff to it, make it even better.
honest with you, the Fiat feels better than this. Well, the Fiat with the stuff you had on it. Not the standard Fiat. You still have the paddles in the other one. I know it's not exactly the same, but
No.
the paddles in the other one, the way that car felt is better.
Yeah, the car felt good. I just want to. I'm glad I did this. It doesn't feel like it goes the same.
My vote is the automatic with the DSG.
Yeah.
What?
Yes, I agree.
You agree with what?
With the automatic. It's more fun. I said it. Oh my God. It actually came out of my mouth. It actually feels better in this car. I'm not saying it feels better in every car. Alright guys, so here it is. 2019 GTI SE edition. SE is basically, it's got all the options. Really happy with it. Car performs really well. And just the build quality is top notch. I'll give it that. But you know, it's German. So I don't know. Some of you guys will be like, "Well, why don't you go with the Scat?" And honestly, the deal with the Scat was, you know, they advertise it for one price, and then when you get there, it's, you know, oh, you don't qualify for these rebates and those rebates, and you know, whatever, you know. A first responder, or your mom was a teacher and you could get a rebate, or if you're a realtor you could get a rebate. But and then, you know, when you get there, it's, you know, the car's, you know, $5,000 to $6,000 more than what you thought you were in there getting the car for. So that's a little aggravating, and you know they're basically wasting your time, and it's aggravating. But so that's what basically happened with the Scatpack. And honestly, I'm really happy I didn't get it, because yeah, they do sound great, but that's only part where I think that car would be better than this car. Just sound. Performance wise, they didn't impress me much. The car felt good, and the trans is really nice on that car. It almost had like DSG farts. It felt like a big heavy car, and it is. It's a big heavy car. But they're good looking cars. But remember, that car is from 2008, I think, when that car has been out. That chassis. All Dodge has done is basically just updated and made it better, They've made it great, and it's a good looking car, especially like the wide bodies are really nice. I guess, you know, sometimes the deal wasn't gonna go the way I wanted it. I wanted to be, you know, somewhere at a certain payment. I wasn't just gonna accept any deal, because it just wasn't gonna happen. I wasn't happy with that. And so this car right here was actually my second option. And we got to VW, I don't know, 11:30 in the morning, and the guy had the car already out. I hadn't really even confirmed with him that I was on the way. I just showed up, and the car was there. He had it out. He was ready. We went and test drove it. The car felt good. I went and test drove a manual one too, because I wanted to test drive the manual one, just to see what I would like. I know the DSG is better, but I'm a manual guy, so that's just in me. I was just really impressed with the overall experience between the Volkswagen and the Dodge. I think we were in and out of that dealer in less than 3 hours, 2.5 hours. We were in and out. And the price that was advertised was the price of the car. No other BS, no other, you know. The car was already discounted close to $8,000, I think. I haven't added it all up, but it's $7,000 something. You know, and it's basically what I got the car for, and I was really impressed by that. It's really aggravating when you go to the place and then they give you, they basically give you the runaround. So, you know, and so I don't know why dealers do that. You know, if you want to add the rebates to it, then add the rebates after you get there, and say, give the person, you know, let them know, hey, this is what it's going to be. You know, because they just want to get you in the door. But overall, I'm really happy with the purchase. It's a really nice car. I'm gonna do some visual stuff to it. The wheels are, believe me, if the Golf R was in the budget, I wasn't, you know, because we still have all these other cars. So, you know, it's a lot more insurance and a lot more. So I didn't want to just overextend myself. YouTube ain't paying me that much yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just, you know, a day in the life of us trying to buy a car. The first experience wasn't so good. Second experience was much better. And I'd probably definitely buy another car from Volkswagen again. Just the overall way of the dealerships, just the way very laid back, no pressure. Just I really enjoyed how that worked. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this car. Some of you will, some of you won't. Is what it is. It is going to be a channel car. I am going to do stuff to this car. I don't know when it's going to start because it's got the damn warranty. So I know most people would love that. Me, I'm like, shit. But yeah, it is what it is. And we'll see what we do to it. I will do stuff to it. It's not just going to stay stock. I don't do just stock. So I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. So I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. Ooh, she makes turbo noises. More turbo noises. God, all I get is turbo noises.